Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept: how to receive thoughts and ideas directly from the universe. It might sound abstract, but the truth is, we all have access to this flow of wisdom and insight at any given moment. Understanding how to tap into this infinite source is simpler than you might think. The key to getting thoughts and ideas from the universe is understanding the power of your own mind. Your thoughts are not merely random occurrences or fleeting ideas. They are vibrations, signals that are sent out into the world, carrying a unique frequency. These frequencies attract similar energies, creating a magnetic pull that brings certain thoughts and experiences into your life. The universe, in its boundless nature, responds to this frequency and brings forth the information you seek. You've probably heard it before, like attracts like. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a law of the universe. Your thoughts create your reality. What you think about, focus on, and feel deeply about is what you'll attract. The key here is in alignment. When you align your thoughts with the energies you wish to receive, the universe has no choice but to deliver. Imagine for a moment that you are a radio. You are constantly sending out signals through your thoughts and feelings. The better you tune into the right frequency, the clearer the reception. It's not about trying hard to control everything that comes to you. It's about opening yourself up to the natural flow of ideas and insights that are available to you at every moment. You have to let go of the idea that you need to fight or struggle for answers. Instead, allow the answers to come to you, trusting in the flow of the universe. The first step in accessing this wisdom is to quiet the noise in your mind. In our modern world, it's easy to become overwhelmed by distractions, social media, news, and the constant stream of information. But, when you still your mind, when you create space, you open up to receive ideas from the universe. Just like a clear sky allows the sunlight to shine through, a quiet mind allows the wisdom of the universe to come in. One of the simplest ways to still the mind is through meditation. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. Just sit quietly for a few moments, focus on your breath, and let your thoughts pass by like clouds in the sky. When you allow the mind to rest, you open up the space for new ideas and insights to enter. The universe is always communicating with us, but we often miss these subtle messages because our minds are cluttered. Clearing the mind makes it easier to hear the whispers of inspiration. But you might be wondering, how do I know if a thought is from the universe or just a random thought of mine? The answer is simple: pay attention to how it feels. Ideas that come from the universe will often feel expansive and light. They will bring a sense of peace and clarity. They won't come with fear, doubt, or confusion. These thoughts will feel natural and aligned with your highest good. You may also experience moments of synchronicity, when events or people seem to align perfectly with your current thoughts or intentions. This is the universe's way of confirming that you are in alignment. The more you trust these signs and follow the flow, the more ideas and insights will come to you. This isn't magic, it's the natural result of aligning with the universal laws that govern all creation. Another way to tap into the universe's wisdom is through visualization. Visualizing what you want in life, whether it's a new project, a goal, or a solution to a problem, creates a powerful vibration. When you visualize with feeling and emotion, you send out a clear signal to the universe. It's like creating a picture that the universe can read and respond to. The clearer and more vivid your vision, the easier it is for the universe to send back the ideas and opportunities you need. You don't have to try hard to make things happen. In fact, when you stop trying so hard, you open up to the natural flow. The more you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the outcome you desire, the more ideas will come to you. The universe is always speaking, it's just a matter of being open and aware enough to listen. You've probably heard of the law of attraction. This is the same principle at play. The law of attraction tells us that what we think about, we bring about. It's all about vibration. Your thoughts vibrate at a certain frequency, and this frequency attracts like energy. So, if you want to attract new ideas and thoughts, you need to raise your vibration. When you focus on positive, high-frequency thoughts, you create a magnetic pull that attracts the wisdom and insights you're looking for. But here's the secret: the universe isn't just giving you random thoughts. It's responding to your deepest desires and intentions. Your thoughts and ideas are not accidental. They are a direct reflection of what you have been thinking and feeling. So, if you want new ideas, begin by shifting your mindset. Focus on what you want, not on what you don't want. When you align your inner world with your outer desires, the universe responds with the ideas, opportunities, and people that will help you fulfill your goals. A powerful exercise to begin this process is to write down your desires. Get clear about what you want to bring into your life. Then, close your eyes and imagine those desires already being fulfilled. Feel the emotions associated with that vision. When you connect with the feeling of your desires as if they are already real, you begin to vibrate at the frequency of that reality. This is when the ideas start to flow. It's as though the universe is responding to your clear, focused energy in providing the thoughts and insights you need. One of the most powerful tools to access thoughts and ideas from the universe is gratitude. When you are grateful for what you have and for the ideas that already come to you, you send out a signal of abundance. Gratitude raises your vibration, allowing you to tap into the flow of infinite possibilities. The more you practice gratitude, the more ideas and inspiration you will attract. It's a simple yet effective way to connect with the universe. Another aspect to consider is your beliefs. If you believe that the universe is always working in your favor, that it is abundant, and that you are deserving of all the wisdom and insights it offers, you will be more likely to receive those thoughts and ideas. The universe is always offering, but if you don't believe you're worthy or capable of receiving, you might block the flow. So, start by cultivating a mindset of abundance and possibility. Trust that the universe is on your side and that it is ready and willing to send you all the ideas and guidance you need. Note, you are always connected to the universe. It is within you and all around you. The ideas you seek are not distant or separate from you, they are part of the infinite flow that exists within and around you. When you tap into this flow, you become a vessel for inspiration and insight. The more you practice these principles, quieting the mind, trusting your feelings, visualizing your desires, practicing gratitude, and believing in abundance, the more the universe will provide you with the thoughts and ideas you need. It's not about forcing or striving. It's about aligning with the natural flow that is already there, waiting for you to receive. You are a powerful creator. Your thoughts shape your reality, and when you consciously choose to align with the flow of the universe, you open yourself up to a world of endless possibilities. Trust in the process, and know that the universe is always speaking to you. Your job is simply to listen and act upon the guidance it offers. So, as you go about your day, recall, the universe is constantly sending you thoughts and ideas. Quiet your mind, trust your feelings, and stay aligned with your desires. The ideas you need will come to you, effortlessly and with clarity. Allow yourself to be open and receptive, and you'll be amazed at how quickly inspiration and insight begin to flow.